Hello, my friends. I'm Lydia from Towin. Our factory is for the machinery for 30 years. Now it's the busy season for our factory. I'm very happy to introduce my factory to you. Now follow me. Wow, come in. I show you our cup printer. This is the cup printer for 6 colors. You can see this printer. Here's the printer. From 4 color to 9 color in different printing speeds. You can see the printing quantity, the quality. Yes. Follow me, please. Yeah. This is the machine for the EG customers. Will finish very soon. Automatic feeding. Okay. Now follow me for the next machine. This is also the cup printer by high speed, 400 pieces per minute. Okay. Wow. This is the machine, the tube machine for this product. Yes. The machine is finished. We'll ship up to Egypt, where we will effect the container today. Follow me. It's from 4 color to 6 color. Printing and with the varnish. Here show you the pipe printer will finish already. Also ship up to the customer very soon. You can see the printing is for this kind of products. The long and small pen. So any inquiry from you, you can send to me for different products with the good quality printing.